Welcome to Crafting Together. So on today's video, we're gonna use this little boxes of wood that they have in Dollar Tree. So we're gonna use two of these. So I'm gonna take a little bit of hot glue and place it in here. In here, if you don't want it to leave the box this color, you can also spray paint it in gold. I'm gonna take some fluorofoam. I'm gonna place this one at the bottom. So let's put some hot glue. And then we're gonna place it inside like that. And then we're gonna take another one. So let's just put hot glue in here. Make sure to put enough hot glue because if you don't attach this part good, that's when your centerpiece comes apart. You have to make it like that they almost level to the same height. So after that, I'm gonna put a toothpick inside like that. Put it here. Make sure to put a little bit of hot glue right there, and then just attach it in there. And the reasons for this is so it can attach into place so it won't fall apart. And then we're just gonna go ahead and fill out the thing around it with these cute little branches. You can do different branches if you would like. And then attaching it around it like that. Guys, you know how we sometimes just this is like my little escape because we focus so much on being a mom, being a grandma, being a wife, being a whatever we are. And we forget about ourselves. Sometimes we forget to do the things that we love. So that's something that I encourage very much. Like every day, do something you like. It's okay to love your family and take care of it and do everything for them. But take at least 10 minutes to an hour a day for yourself. You deserve it. Sometimes we're in the rush of the work, of the job, the kids, the husband, the cooking, the cleaning, the job for those that have to go to work. And you forget, like, guys, we're here temporary. So we need to learn how to enjoy yourself. If you love crafting, do crafting, you know? So then I'm gonna take one of this little white one and I'm gonna place it in here like that. Like, oh, wait, we forgot one thing. Wait, we cannot put nothing in the middle because we're gonna use one of this glass and yeah, we're gonna place it in here. So we have to place the glass first. Put a little bit of hot glue like at the end, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue right here. And then I'm gonna attach it in there. And then we're gonna do that to the other side before we put the branches, because then if we put the branches around and the flower, then we're not gonna know where to put the glass. So make sure you do that step first. The glass like that. Anyways, like I was saying, life we only live once. And I don't know what it is, but once I turned 40, like my 40 changed the way I thought. Now I think different. Like before, I don't know, like I don't know what happened to me. Once I turned 40, like a light like something came up in my mind. I'm like, what's going on? I started seeing things differently, like the way that I think, the way about life, the ways things that I should have done when I was younger, that I didn't do. So that's what I said. You gotta live life. You cannot regret. So we're just gonna continue attaching all these things around it just to cover it up. And here we're gonna take one of this big flower and we're gonna place it right in the middle. A neutral color because like I'm doing it like for a home decor. So of course I'm not gonna do it like pink. I mean, there's some people that has pink, but that's why I'm doing like some of this color that most of the people use. Here I'm gonna use the big one because you see how this one shows a little bit and I want it to come out like that. So I'm just gonna use a big stick and cut it in half, not in half, like a little small part. And then I'm gonna place it in here. And then place it in there like that. Yo, so you guys let me know if I'm the only one that once they turn 40 years old started thinking seeing life differently. Like I started seeing life different. I'm like, man, I need to enjoy something because sometimes we think our life is just our kids and we don't see more than that. And your kids are gonna leave and then you're gonna stay. It's you. They're gonna leave you, they're gonna do their own family, and then you don't want to regret it. So that's why you guys need to live life. Live life to the fullest. That's why I love to go out. I love to go to dinner, eat, travel. Who doesn't love that, right? If we'll be rich, You will see me traveling every day. So after fill out the whole thing with a flower, I put some water inside, and then I'm gonna take some clear beads and some pearl, white pearls, and I'm just gonna place it inside there. And then don't fill it up the whole thing. I don't think I put a lot. And then you're gonna grab a candle and place it in there. After you guys do that, I'm gonna take some little white little branches and place it around. Also gonna take one of these little gold one, you know, me and my gold. Then I'm gonna take these cute little gold little beads and place it around it as well, just to make it extra cute. Guys, then I'm gonna light it up. Let's light that candle up. And tell me this is not a cute centerpiece that you guys can do for your table decor. Here you can spray paint it any color that you would like. You can also put the candle different colors if you like red, purple, orange, whatever color you guys are doing. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. I love it, love it, love it. Hope you guys like it. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this DIY. Let's not forget that that's the only way you guys can help me out. Commenting, liking, sharing. So let's not stop doing. So please go ahead and share, share, share. Well, and this is how it turns out. I just hope you guys like it. Let me lift it up a little bit so you can see how cute. I think with different color candle también, I mean, also it would look nice. Sorry, sometimes my Spanish comes out out of nowhere. Because I'm used to speaking, like, you know, when you have two languages and then you speak like half English, half Spanish, and then it just comes out. I forget sometimes. And then sometimes I start recording in Spanish. I'm like, it's English. That's the thing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. On today's video, we're going to do a home decor for a beautiful, nice table. In today's video, we're gonna use these jars. Don't worry about the rocks. We're just gonna take the top of this jar because this is the only thing we're gonna use from here. But I just want to show you that this top is from these jars. So we're gonna use two of these. I'm going to also use this one. It's like a big black bowl, like from kitchens and stuff like that. But we're gonna use it for a home decor. Guys, watch out of these three items how I make something super cute, easy, and that you could do it at home. So the first thing we're going to do, take one of the top and we're going to put a little bit of hot glue around it, and we're going to attach it. Make sure to put the hot glue all the way around, and then we're going to attach it right in there. Then attach it into place like that. If it give you like a hard time to attach, just place it. After you place it together, just put the little bit of hot glue in there like that in the inside, and then just squeeze it. Wait until it dries a little bit, and then just go like that with a finger so it can just go inside and take the extra pieces so it won't show. Okay, then once we do that, we're gonna put a little bit of hot glue in there. We're going to attach it in there. Then after we do that, I'm gonna spray paint mine gold. This one can also look really nice on silver, but if you have silver, spray paint it silver. But you know me, I'm doing gold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint the whole thing in gold, and then I'll be back. Oh, wait, before I go back, you don't forget one thing. Go and hit the like button right now. Hit the like, and then let's continue. Okay, so after you spray paint it, you see how you can leave it up like that if you don't mind, but I do mind so it could show like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna grab this string and I'm going to place it right in there like that. I'm going to attach it with the hot glue. Wait, so you guys can see. And then I'm going to attach it there. Put a little bit of hot glue in the line and then just put it right in the middle. So then it will attach right there. Then after that, I'm gonna take this floral foam and we're gonna put some hot glue in the floral foam. Make sure to put enough hot glue to attach it in there. And then we're gonna place it right in the middle. And here, I'm going to attach a few of them because I'm gonna put flower around it. So I'm gonna take another piece, make sure to put enough hot glue. Then I'm gonna attach it on the other side. I'm gonna take another one, I'm gonna place it on this side. So I'm just gonna go around and fill it up with floral foam. And then I'm gonna take flour, you know, like I always use the stick. And we're gonna start placing it inside. We all know when it's too big, we make it smaller like that. So we're just gonna continue and placing flour here. This is like more for like, you know, those table to put like a home decor. I think this is more like that, but it could also be for a centerpiece for a party. It's up to you what you want to use it for. So we're just going to go ahead and continue attaching flowers. And talking about yesterday, in the video yesterday, we talked about taking some time for us. So I hope you guys did that. And this morning you did a facial or you drank a coffee or matcha. Oh, I love matcha. I don't know if you guys try matcha. If you haven't, you should give it a try. I mean, not everybody loves matcha. For some reason, I love matcha better than coffee. Some people love coffee. Most of the people love coffee. I don't like coffee, but I drink my matcha instead of a coffee. So if we hanging out, you drinking your coffee, I'm drinking my matcha. That's my like to go place. Go to Starbucks, get some a drink, just sit there and relax. I also love to do facial. I love to do facial on my face. Like I think it's so relaxing when you put the little mask. Or I do like mask on my face. I love to do the rice mask. If you haven't tried it, you should try it because it leaves your skin so good. I'm telling you. Why you guys think I have this flawless skin? I'm just kidding. But I do love to do that mask. I like it. I like it. This one would take a lot of flowers, as you guys can see, because you have to go all the way around there. So if you buy the bigger flower that you buy, like I'm putting this big one because the bigger you buy, the less flower it takes. If you buy the small one, then you have to put more flowers. So just if you're doing the centerpiece, make sure to get bigger flowers like this one, so you could place it around there, and it could take more space. Once you fill it up, that's where you see where you're gonna put all your extra stuff. Here you could also add some color. I don't know if it will look nicer with this one. You think? Let's try it. Let's just add some color. I was just gonna do white, but let's see how would that turn out if I just place a cute of these. They also have it in white, so I'm gonna go around it and just place a few. I wasn't gonna place these, but I'm just gonna do it because I think it looks kind of nice, the yellow one. What you guys think? You like it with a white or you just leave it without it? It's up to you guys. But like it's summertime, and you know in the summertime we have some colors, so I'm gonna place it in there. I think it gives the extra cute look. So I'm just gonna place a few of these yellow around there. So I'm just gonna put some white little branches around there. Here you could do the same thing and put the stick. I'm gonna do one right here. I'm just trying to cover those little gap. If I would have more of this little white one, I would put it everywhere. Because this is what makes the centerpieces cute. I'm just telling you. I'm also gonna do some, oh, how'd that be up here there? There. I'm gonna place it there. We could also add a few of these, right? And the other side. Cute and super easy that you guys can do. I hope you guys like it. Okay, you guys, it turns out super cute, super simple and easy to do. I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for watching. Let's not forget to comment, share, and like all of above. And thank you for watching Crafting Together.